Hello everyone. Let's learn how to blend a map on the face in Photoshop like this. So first, open your image in Photoshop. Now drag and drop any map image into this image window. Press Ctrl+T and scale the map image as per the face. Change its blending mode to multiply. Adjust the location of the map on the face. Create a mask on the map layer. Now, select the brush tool and start painting over the unwanted areas on the face like this. Now, right-click on the map layer and choose Blending Options. Here, press the Alt key and drag these two sliders to make the effect more realistic. Create a brightness and contrast adjustment layer. Here, increase the brightness up to 50%. And the contrast up to 20%. We are done here. Let's see the final output. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.